Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all how to make whole wheat pumpkin pancakes. You can start off by combining 1 cup of milk, a third cup of pumpkin puree, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free syrup, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. When all of the ingredients are well combined, be sure that the stove is on medium heat. This side should only be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, while the opposite should only be cooked for a minute or 2. This is how the pancakes came out, and as you can see, I already started eating it. Oh, it was so good.